Welcome back to the Brook Railroad. I'm Eric, not Aaron, and today we are running the weed sprayer. It's been a little bit of a touchy process to get it going nice and smooth today, but now simply connecting it up and getting it. We now have proper spraying and can kill weeds along the roadbed. You want to back it into the siding a little bit, or no? All I'm doing here is adjusting where the which way the fan is spraying, because there are some spots we want to get wider than others, and this is one of those spots we want to hit a little bit wider. Oop. Alright, I gotta adjust this sprayer a little bit more, but while I'm here, I just want to mention, this is not glyphosate, this is not Roundup. This is imazapyr. Bit safer than Roundup and generally more pleasant to work with, but you still really want gloves. You don't want this on your hands. And that goes for any weed killer, or just goes for a lot of things. Let's go a little bit forward. Well, now we're at the bottom of the hill, but we're running out of daylight, so we're going to have to end it here. Glad we got it working. Glad it's working as good as it is now. If you enjoyed this, hello, Patreon. Patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. I think I did that right. And we also have a Discord and channel memberships. If you like what you see, you leave a like if we deserved it. I think we did. We spent a lot of time on this. And a lot of money. And make sure we were using the right stuff, too. So, on that note, have a good, we'll say afternoon, evening. But if you're watching this in the morning, good morning. Hope you enjoyed that one. Have a good one.